The goal of this video is to teach you what a rubric is and how you can use it. So we're using this example assignment to learn more about a rubric. If you notice, here is sort of the assignment and some general information. And if you scroll down on assignment pages, you may find a rubric at the bottom. This is the word rubric. So a rubric is basically criteria for how your instructor will be grading you on a particular assignment. So it does help your instructor to give you feedback in terms of points and maybe suggestions for making things better, but also it helps you as the student to take control of your grade and how you're going to do on an assignment. I like to tell students this is something you should look at before, during, and after you complete an assignment. You want to know how you are being graded so that you can cater the assignment to the rubric and to the grade. This will also help you to learn more and meet more goals in the class. So for instance, for this rubric, the first criteria is clarity of main ideas. So your instructor will be looking if your main points in your essay are very clear and easy to understand, easy to point out. That is worth 20 points. So you can just go down and look at each criteria as well as the points attached to it, and you'll see that the total points for this assignment are 100. So if you have these things, and if you go back and look at your work after and you say, you know what, I think I can work on my grammar a little bit more, that is worth 20 points. That's 20% of my grade for this assignment, so let me go back and look at that. Or maybe you look at your assignment when you're finished and you say, I think I could have more supporting details. You know, the rubric really is this checklist for how to maximize your grade and do the absolute best you can. Like I said, highly recommend look at your rubric before, during, and after completing an assignment to do the best that you possibly can. Good luck.